Jesse! Jesse, wake up! Wake up! Caleb's already awake, he's downstairs. Get ready, let's go! I guess Caleb wasn't awake. Here he is. Hey! Wake up! Dad's going to the bait shop and he's coming to get us. You ready? Well, get up and get ready. Jesse's already ready. We're waiting on you. You don't look ready. You don't look ready. Get up. Welcome to the vlog. Today, me, my dad, Jesse, and Caleb, and possibly Cheyenne are gonna go out to White Pine State Park and go fishing and hiking. There's a lot of hiking trails out there, and they just stocked the creek with trout, so they're gonna go out there and try to catch some dinner for tonight. But I'm just waiting on him to come pick us up, and then we'll be out there. We made it to White Pines. We're here an hour later because we had to ride with Tiff and Rachel. And Dad, and Jesse, Caleb, Shy, and Hayden, they're already out here fishing. I don't care. What's up? How many you got? Oh no, she fell. She's trying to go swimming. Yeah, he's waiting up there at the exit. Oh, is he? Yeah, he's sitting right there at the end of that road. Check it. Check it. Nothing. Are you cold? Wait for Tiff to get here. Past all the people that are staring at me. We have to cross the creek, and I want to make sure I get it if Tim falls. Dang it. Let me try.
That ain't shit.
That wasn't nothing. Ugh. This trail's been used a lot this year already. Here's that old building with a chimney. All that's left is the chimney.
That was a big old building.
It was a nice size little building. Right in this ravine, away from the wind. Check it out.
Dang, bro. That's cool.
Yes,
Yeah, the building
nice
you could
flat
see
stone floor.
Went out this way. Where'd it end though?
I don't know. Right here, I guess.
Right here.
Right here at the edge of the trail.
Oh, so it's just like a little shelter.
But it's right in this ravine where the wind doesn't hit. It's perfect. Come out here and rebuild it and live out here. Hopefully find something cool that I can record for the vlog, because if not, it's just going to be me and you walking through the woods. I like this little
Damn,
creek.
look at that hill goes all the way back down.
We could cross, or we could keep going. Should we keep going? It's getting nicer out here. There's a huge nest through there. You see that? We have to get closer and look. It's getting a lot nicer out. It went from 28 degrees this morning
Let's try almost
to probably about 50 degrees now. Had to turn around because this trail's leading right to the road where the DNR is sitting, and we don't mess with the law enforcement, no matter what kind they are. We're doing it. Oh, Somebody painted this tree. He's got eyes and ears. The trail that said keep off ended. I guess we're gonna go back down to the new trail. This trail just looks great, doesn't it? Let's do it. What if we trip down this? Tree laying across the path. Behold the first flowers of spring. Cute little flowers. Now we get to cross the bridge. Stepping stones again. Yeah, they're all crooked. Somebody needs to straighten them up. It's still naked out here. It's not warm enough for the leaves yet.
That's pretty warm right down here though.
Only the small plants are growing right now. It is nice and warm right here because there's no wind. Here, come over here. Get in my video. Are you smiling? Dang, what is that? A drain pipe?
Yeah, the road's up there, or a railroad track is. You can see it.
Oh yeah. Should we go up there?
You're gonna have to cross the creek though.
I just want to go in here and see if we can see anything.
Stuff's growing.
All this stuff's growing. Yes.
With insulators on it.
What? Oh
Yeah, see it? I wonder what kind they
up
are.
there. How do we get across?
We need to cross. There goes
We gotta
the
find a way
water right
across
there.
this creek. So we can go check out the train tracks.
Oh yeah, that giant log, we can cross that.
Hope I can make this without dropping my camera.
The battery's almost dead.
It's in my pocket. I'm doing it. Oh, I did it. Alright. Let me put the camera away so we can trek through this thick brush. Hollow tree. Anything in there? Anything? Nobody's home, I guess. Up to the train tracks now. Made it through all that thick brush. And we're just gonna look around here. See if we can find something. Working our way across this hill. It's so steep, we're just sliding down it sideways. See that? Everything's sliding. Gonna keep going though. Gonna put the camera away until I get to my destination. I've just lost my drink. It rolled down the hill
Just look, we'll see right
after
here.
it fell out my pocket. Way down here. Right there. It's my only drink. I'm gonna thirst to death. Just teetering on this log. It's the only stable surface on this hill. This is a old train track post.
Look, there's another one right there.
There's another one down there.
Man, I think you're the clear
They
one.
still
on
have insulators on them.
There's another insulator way down there on the hill.
there. Where?
Way down there.
Is it broke?
I don't know.
Oh, God. Don't knock your drinks down again.
Tripping, man.
Well, stay still.
I gotta put the camera down because I'm tripping all over the place. I need both
My
hands.
poor Dr. Pepper has battle scars from falling down that hill.
Luckily, Tim saved his life. It's all good.
We're gonna head up this ravine. See if we can find anything in
It's
here.
getting warm out here. I'd say it's at probably about 65 degrees right now.
There's a giant cement thing. Some animal used as a den.
That's perfect.
That's the perfect house if you're a critter.
That's a
Just
railroad
stack
track
some
right
leaves in
there.
there. They're gonna head back down, back to the trail.
Tim's gonna check if we can cross this tree. It's pretty high off the creek.
Looks questionable to me. If Tim can make it, I can do it.
Here I go. Oh God. This is the wobbliest tree ever. It's like a swinging rope bridge.
We did it. We made it across the bridge without falling in. Tim, look at this raccoon fur.
Yummy.
Something had raccoon for dinner.
One that said no trail keep off up here.
Did we come this way? We didn't come from this way?
No, we walked this way.
But I could have swore we were going this way when we saw that pipe and decided to cross the creek.
I don't remember walking right here.
Me either.
No, we're walking this way.
Alright,
Because we took that trail down.
we'll keep going.
We've come to a staircase. This staircase might kill us both.
Yeah.
This is a very long staircase.
Oh, we're stepping in mud.
Alright, check it out. Almost there.
Onward.
We made it! That was a great accomplishment.
Those stairs go all the way down there.
All the way
Like
down.
All the way down.
Let me see that hand. Oh, yummy.
That's all the way down.
He slid all the way down this hill.
It's hot right
We cut over to the train tracks.
I'm gonna look for some snakes here. Check back in if we catch anything. There's a huge den right here in the cliff. It's either a skunk or a fox. It smells like a skunk coming out, but there's bones
Hanging around it.
so we're not gonna stick around too long.
All of these trees.
Does that swing have like a roof above it?
Yeah.
Fell down because of the wind. They were all dead though.
Oh, I'm stuck with stickies.
We found our rest area. We're coming up on it now. I hope there's nobody sitting on it. If there is, we'll kick them out. Just stand there until they leave. Make them uncomfortable. If you make them uncomfortable, they will leave. There ain't no one?
No.
It's good. It's clear. There's nobody here.
It's a big tree.
But that
Looks out over everything.
This bench must be everyone's hangout spot.
Look at all the carvings. The whole entire bench. The whole entire post, all up there, all up there, just all over the place. That must have taken so many years. Oh yeah, there's a whole other side. Years of defacing state property. They even carved on a
Look,
little edge.
the end.
The end pieces, everything. They carved everywhere. Moving on. You got one?
Well, pick them out and put them in the bag.
No, I can't.
You should have saw the big one Mr. Tim had. It jumped and did a dive into the water.
Did he catch it?
No.
You lost it? Where's Tiffany? Rachel at?
They went walking somewhere.
Which way did they go?
I'm not sure.
We took forever on that. We left the trail, went up by train tracks and everything,
look,
snake
along the
hunting. Oh, there they are. Way over there.
Where are they?
So we walked like 2.5 hours.
Did you catch all your fish?
Dude, we're going to walk in here soon.
It's warming up.
Well, try and catch another one quick. Yeah, we're gonna take a break.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get two.
I need to take my coat off and put it in the car.
Yeah, it's warming up. Feels nice.
That one.
Oh yeah, walking those trails.
We're taking a break and then we're walking.
You guys didn't even catch up to us.
We didn't know where you guys went.
We went that way.
That way?
Up there.
Oh, see, we went
We went that way, around.
We
came
went,
down that way.
We went some pretty good trails. We went all the way up to the lodge and down and back up and.
Oh, we didn't go that trail. Yeah, I'm going to the car to put my coat in there. Hurry up, we're limited on time. Yeah, we have to go make a pit stop to this tree.
Yeah,
Alright,
buddy.
hey, Ted, let me get
Let's
my
go.
camera here.
They cut down all these trees. Now they're walking over to this tree, and these people are just taking their dandy old time. This tree is awesome. It's an American sycamore tree, and it's huge. Hey, hold this camera so I can get on there.
Is it recording? How you focus it?
Do you have an autofocus or manual focus?
Yeah. Dude, that's a big tree.
Now shine it back on me. That freaking tree is huge.
Make for good photos. I think you should just walk the trail. Got really warm.
Yeah, it did. Razorback Trail.
3/8 of a mile.
Difficulty hard. Please
Sweet.
stay on
Good.
trail.
Hard trail. Instead of all these easy peasy
This trail ain't nothing.
trails.
Is that the trail?
No,
No,
it's
that
right
is.
there.
Do you want to do it?
And there's no stairs. Yeah, we're going up it.
Is that
That's
all
where that
roots?
group of pine trees is. Yeah, that's all roots.
But I want to go down there too. We'll come back that way. We'll go up this way.
We'll go this way and then go that way?
Yeah, go up the hard way. We're doing this. I need a GoPro. I can't do this.
One of those things out there.
Yeah, I need a GoPro helmet.
I bet it'd be really pretty if the water was
Oh yeah. These giant pebbles. moved here by the glaciers. A pond.
Yeah, all that has water in it, right?
Walking down this trail, Tim and Rachel are trying to run from Dad and Hayden and the boys. So, I guess we're on the run. Here they come. They're coming around the corner. They found us. There's no running now.
We're not going what?
There's no running now. There they are. Way down there. Hayden's running up. Here comes Hayden. Look at her. She's so cute. Hey. Oh, right past me. I see how it is. I thought she was coming to me, dang it.
Are you vlogging?
Yep.
Hey guys, we're here in the
Don't
mountains.
get so close.
Yeah, we're by a whole bunch of pine trees. I'm just trying to get my voice back now. Chewing on some spearmint gum and it's really good. And we just went fishing, but I only caught
This is
one
not
fish.
the mountains.
We're on a trail and it goes up, so it's basically the mountains.
There's trees down over the trails a lot.
That red river?
Yeah.
Crab, right?
Let's go show them that red thing.
Okay, I'll show them this red thing.
Oh, Jimmy.
Some kind of mushroom. Eat it, Caleb. Eat it. Tiff said she's gonna leave us if we don't get back in time. I think we're going the wrong way though.
Yeah, we're supposed to be walking that way. Yeah, but we just walked all that.
Yeah, we walked all that cut through the wood.
And then we, yeah. That way goes right back down here.
It's really windy today. Did you guys see the pine tree swaying?
Yeah, I got plenty of video of the pine tree swaying.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Big old face in that camera screen.
I'm talking.
Hayden's yelling at you to hurry up.
You couldn't find that.
Hayden's up there waiting.
She's getting mad.
Oh, she's mad. She's coming back. She's like, you better come on.
What?
Hey, we have to go back this way because the car's this way.
Yeah, we gotta go back. How many fish you guys catch?
Going 12.
No. We can't take the fish. We don't have fishing license.
We're taking them anyway.
We can't. We don't have fishing. All right.
Whatever.
It's your call. He's trying to get us put in jail for taking his fish home, and none of us have fishing licenses. No, he might be sitting there to check people on the way out. One way out. And if he does hop out and try to search us, we're just gonna pop a U-turn.
Keep going. Don't stop.
He's gonna know something's up.
He'll be like, why they turn over?
Tiff's gonna be scared to drive when we tell her.
While I was driving, there was a lot of wind. It was sucking me and pushing me this way and that way. Oh, crap.
Not a lot of people walk this trail.
No, it's so green. Fuck. The camera fell in the water. Yeah. Just dropped my camera in the creek. I think I ruined the microphone. It was soaked, dripping water. So, I'm using the camera microphone. I hope it works good. Ruined my video too. Ready? Let's do this. So we're heading out. I don't know if my microphone's good, but I plugged it back in just in case. The fluffy thing on it was soaked, so I didn't put that back on. So if the wind's loud, I'm sorry. Yep, camera fell right in the water. Scared the crap out of me. But we're heading out now. It got so hot out here. Right after I got the waterproof thing, I dropped it. My camera fell in the creek.
Are you fucking serious?
Is it okay?
Yeah. The microphone saved it from the water, but I don't know if the microphone works.
Oh,
How did you fall in the creek?
I didn't
stood it
fall.
up
I
again?
stood it up on the side.
Dude,
And
it's windy.
it was stuck in the mud.
Dude.
Got lucky. Take your jacket off.
It was rolling.
That'll be interesting to watch.
But there's a lot of rocks. There's just a little tiny water going through, and the microphone landed right in the water.
Oh, man.
They're
You guys
waiting
want
on
me
me,
to
I
change to
guess.
my shorts?
Huh?
Alright,
Hurry up.
we're going. Goodbye, State Park. Hey guys, we're back at Tiss. That was a nice hike through the woods. My microphone is still working even though I dropped it in the water, so that's good. But we're just waiting for Dad to get over here with the fish so we can eat.
Yeah,
Where's
I wanna
this
see if you
fish
got
at?
burnt under
In
your
there.
hair.
Let me see it.
No, just move it out of the way for a minute.
Shrimp,
You got burnt through his
fish, more fish.
hair. Yeah, they're just like your face is gonna spontaneously combust.
What are you cooking now?
French fries.
French fries instead of clean the grease.
French fries.
Did.
And then she's
And
making
it
the
was
hot dog.
Can't wait to
he
eat.
literally like got
It's not gonna be crummy, the whole thing, as your mama said.
Trout,
Just break it open and eat it.
catfish, shrimp,
Would you
Don't
like
make it
catfish
crumbly.
on that?
I don't like it that
No,
way.
it's not catfish.
Oh yeah, it is crumbly. They're not normally not crumbly like that.
And what's that? Oh, shrimp.
Don't what?
That fish was so good. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're just finishing up eating in there, and then I'm gonna go home and get some well-needed rest. But I hope you like the vlogs. They're getting better because the weather's warming up. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.